आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is on comprehension. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Fill in the blanks with the help of the alternative given. Select the most appropriate option for each blank. ये क्वेश्चन कॉम्प्रीहेंशन में है जिसमें हमें एक पैराग्राफ गिवन है और उनमें से कुछ शब्दों को हटा दिया गया है. नाउ आवर टास्क इज टू फिल दैट वर्ड्स अगेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ऑप्शन गिवन टू अस. In this particular question, we need to fill blank number 1. So let's read the passage and understand its meaning. One fireman died and 14 others had a narrow escape when a part of a factory-cum-outlet of a well-known battery-firm where they were battling a major collapsed following a series of sudden explosions in West Delhi. Now we don't need to read further because we need to fill only blank number 1. Therefore, we will be aiming a sentence that contains blank 1. That's all. Now, what does this passage mean? That there is a well-known firm which makes battery और वहाँ पे एक certain explosion होता है जिसकी वजह से एक फायरमैन की मृत्यु हो जाती है और 14 फायरमैन अपनी जान बचाकर कैसे ना कैसे बच जाते हैं. Now the options given to us in this particular question is manufactures, manufacturing, manufacturable and manufactured. Now manufactures is in present tense, manufacturing is in continuous tense, manufactured is in past tense and manufacturable is an adjective. Something which can happen or a possibility. This is indicating a possibility. Now let's read the sentence which contain blank 1 and rectify the option one by one. So well-known battery firm. तो ऐसी firm जो कि काफी जानी मानी है to make the battery. So well-known battery manufacturers firm. Now this is not suiting the sentence because here the verb agreement is not allowed or it's not happening. Now it's a well-known battery manufacturing firm. So this is suiting. तो ये एक ऐसी firm है जो कि बैटरी को manufacture कर रही है. So here I'm talking in present and that too in continuous form. And this is a proper verb agreement happening. Manufactured past gets rejected directly because the complete passage is in present tense. And manufacturable is just an adjective or a possibility. Therefore, it again gets rejected. So the correct answer of this particular question is option B.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।